Final race, Wednesday night racing here but one. Set to go, we stand by for a dispatch with our favorite. The fast-stepping Batang Arastre. The betting is closed, then the race is on. 2A, Magic Wallet draws for your lead. Humo, Nuko, running down on the inside, in between the runners. Batang Arastre, then followed by Bean, Warrior Heart, running by the rail blow by, in between the runners, the Macchia Island and My Loving Wife. As they round towards the 600, this one, Humo, Nuko, in command by about 2.5 lengths lead. Running in second, Batang Arastre, then comes Magic Wallet. Warrior Heart, moving up on the outside, so as My Loving Wife. Now the course of the wind has been altered as Batang Arastre takes up the running on the outside. Warrior Heart, Bean is by the little blow by the Macchia Island. Batang Arastre by about 2 lengths, running in second, Warrior Heart, and finally at the finish line, Batang Arastre. Another win for Mr. Dondon Babon, second Warrior Heart. Then comes the Macchia Island, Bean, and My Loving